Hello, welcome. Come on in. We just parked heading into Bay Lake Tower. We have some health and safety warnings about face coverings, physical distancing. You could expose yourself to COVID-19 by staying here. Some more health and safety reminders on the door. Another COVID-19 warning. I love this. Welcome home, Disney Vacation Club members. Right when you walk in, we have hand sanitizer. And if you guys have watched my Saratoga video, you know all about this. You don't have to check in the main lobby anymore. You can do your check-in online or on your My Disney Experience app, and you can go right to your room without stopping here at the front desk. But it is open if you have any questions. Everybody is out willing to help you. Just fantastic guest service so far. Everybody has been extremely nice. Hello. Good, how are you? More ground markers here. There's the pool, which I'm excited to go in. Some 4th of July activities. More physical distancing signs. Waiting for an elevator, and look what they have added. 1 party or 4 individuals per elevator, please. I wanted to show you how you can use your phone to unlock your resort door. Magic. We are staying at Bay Lake Tower, which is connected to the Contemporary Resort. This room is a studio theme park view. Let me show you the room. Walk right in. You are greeted with your bathroom, your washroom. Really cute. There is me. Hey guys. Nice bathtub. I did notice it does not have the soap dispenser and like the shampoo, but we do have the little bottles ready to go. Walking out of the bathroom, to your left, you have a mini kitchen area, which is really cute. Look at this. It reminds me of the room that we had at the Polynesian. We have a sink, coffee maker, a microwave, toaster, a really nice refrigerator. And we did bring the wine this time. Nice little area to put snacks or anything. Another note explaining the enhanced cleaning that this room did already have. But look at this. We pull this out. A really nice pantry. Place to put your ice. What's in here? So plastic cups, utensils, plates, bowls. I love this kitchen a lot. We have coffee cream, coffee, more utensils, a can opener. I think that was all. Trash, soap, sponge. I like it. Leaving the kitchen, you do have your closet. You have an extra pillow, blankets, hangers. You have a safe, iron board. We have all our bags stored in there right now. Next up, check out the bedroom. Very nice, very sleek. We have a queen size bed. Look at the hidden Mickey up there. And we have a pull-out bed right here. So that's really good to know. Have a phone. There's the bed. Looks like some Tomorrowland theming. Kind of looks like a Mickey Mouse up there. Nice little, I don't know, 30-inch TV, 40-inch TV. The remote has been cleaned and sanitized. And also, we have a DVD player, and this remote has also been cleaned. That is new. I have not seen a DVD player in any of the Disney rooms I've stayed in, so that's good. Some storage for your clothes. More storage. And you can pull the TV out, and it does swivel. Next to the TV, you have a nice little dining area. This is where I will edit the videos. More lighting, another mirror. But let me show you guys the best part of this hotel room. Oh, yes. But wait, it gets better. Oh, heck yes. Oh look, the Tomorrowland rockets are going right now. But better, look at Cinderella's castle. It's so pink and blue and gold. It is all done. Space Mountain, and look at Tron. Looks like they have added more track. Look at that. There's the monorail. Testing for the grand reopening. There's another monorail. Before I go any further in today's video, I just want to say a really big thank you to Barry and Carolyn. They supported this DVC hotel room. They're very kind, very generous to give me and Bianca their DVC points because they are not going to be using them this year because of all the shutdown and the travel restrictions. And they were just very kind to give us this room for a night. Thank you guys so very much. I still can't believe, I just never thought this would happen. You know, it was my dream to always stay here at Bay Lake Tower and have a theme park view. And it's the 3rd of July. Tomorrow's the 4th of July. Just very kind. Thank you so much. And thank you to each and every one of you for watching and supporting the channel. Even if you don't like me, thank you for watching. This is truly a dream come true. We can see Splash Mountain, rest in peace. Main Street, USA. Then of course the Castle Hub, Cinderella's new castle, which looks beautiful in my opinion. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, all of Tomorrowland. We can even see the People Mover right there. Be Our Guest restaurant, Space Mountain, and Tron. And here's a look at the Grand Floridian. We do have a dining reservation there tomorrow. You can see another monorail. There's the bus station. We can see Wilderness Lodge and Swan and Dolphin. But wait, there's more. You can see Expedition Everest. And then of course, the Contemporary. Whatever you do, don't look down. Look at the boat transportation. They are running, getting ready for the reopening. You can have a joining room to this hotel room, but with all the social distancing measures, nobody is staying by us. I already love Bay Lake's pool area. It's like a giant hidden Mickey. We have lots of 4th of July activities going on here. Decorate your own patriotic tumbler. Movie Under the Stars, a Goofy movie. Here we are now, just got off the elevator on the 5th floor to monorail, restaurants, and shops. And if you guys did not know, Bay Lake Tower is connected to the Contemporary. It's all one resort. Bay Lake Tower, DVC. Get a nice little view of Magic Kingdom. Then over here to our left, nice little view of the waterway here. Reflections, the new DVC resort, is supposed to be going right over here, but we can't see too much. I think they paused construction. About 30 seconds later, we are now at the Contemporary Resort. More health and safety reminders. Oh, it feels so good to be back. Bianca is with me right now. She is very excited to be back at the Contemporary. It's been so long, a little over 4 months since we have been inside the Contemporary. Fantasia, the gift shop, is open. Also, Fantasia Marketplace is open. How are you? More hand sanitizers. Oh, the smell of the Contemporary smells so good. The famous IG wall is still here. Oh wow, Disney has removed all of the goodies and replaced it with candy and snacks in a bag. Interesting. And look at this, inside the gift shop, they have Disney face coverings, 4 for $20, and they have way more options than Saratoga did. Looks like all I am seeing is large and medium right now. I don't see any smalls, but they have all the good ones, all the very popular ones. You know, it's not every day you see the Contemporary this empty. It's always so busy. Contempo Cafe is open and they are encouraging mobile order pickup. I think we may have lunch here. And also the Wave is the only other restaurant that is open here at the Contemporary. So the Contemporary right now really doesn't have that many food options. It's either the Contempo Cafe, like I mentioned, or the Wave. We may do the Wave for dinner, but I know something that just reopened not too far down the street, and that's the brand new McDonald's, the solar-powered McDonald's by the All-Star Resorts. So me and Bianca are gonna hop in the car, drive over there, and then come back because there's a lot to see here at the Contemporary. Many videos to come. Whoa. Would you look at this? The brand new McDonald's on Disney property, right next to the All-Star Resorts. Completely solar powered. Let's go check it out. Whoa. It's so modern. I already like this so much. Before we go inside, let's check out outside. And right here is the outside seating area. What I find very cool about these tables, you can scan the QR code to order, and the McDonald's cast member will bring your food right out no matter where you're sitting at the tables. And of course, we have the social distancing going on right now. Check this out. You can exercise, so you can sit on this bike and pedal, and you can charge your phone at the same time, and you can make the big McDonald's light up. That's pretty neat. All right, now this is cool. When you come to place your order, you have these touchscreen monitors. And at this McDonald's, you don't have your typical ordering window. This McDonald's now has paper straws, just like the Disney parks. I can't remember the last time I had McDonald's, but I do love their chicken nuggets. Something else that I really like about this McDonald's, everything is pre-packaged. Makes me feel extra safe. I will say, this McDonald's has been the freshest McDonald's meal I have ever ate. All 4 Disney parks are closed. Stacy, we have missed you. I'm glad to see you again. Disney must do. The best part about staying at a Disney resort, let's be honest. One more quick look at the new paint job of Cinderella's castle. It looks so good. I just can't get over, I have a theme park hotel room right now. This has been on my Disney bucket list for many years, and I'm just very blessed to be here right now, very excited. Something else that I do want to talk about before I end today's video. Today is July 3rd. Tomorrow is the 4th of July. A tradition of mine for the last 4 years to always be at Magic Kingdom July 3rd, because if you did not know, Magic Kingdom has a awesome, crazy firework display both on July 3rd and July 4th. July 3rd is a little more calmer as far as less crowds than July 4th. It's really busy. So every year on July 3rd, me and my friends, last year me and Bianca, went to the Magic Kingdom, had a great time. They have live entertainment, DJs. It's a great time being inside Magic Kingdom on July 3rd. Now, obviously this year, it's different. Magic Kingdom is closed. Nobody's in there right now. There's not going to be any crazy fireworks this year. I kind of hope that 1% chance that Disney will surprise us with fireworks tonight, but I don't think that will happen. It's just a little sad that I can't make that happen this year, but with the blessing that I have today, this is the closest that I will get to being inside the Magic Kingdom on July 3rd. So, I mean, you can't beat this. This is really amazing. I've dreamed about having a contemporary or Bay Lake hotel view with the theme park in the background. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new here, because we do this quite often. Make sure you're following me along on Instagram and check out all my links down below. There's going to be many videos between today, tomorrow, next week, and the next 3 weeks full of Disney magic. So stay tuned. I'm really excited. It's going to be just such a eventful next few weeks, next few days. So stay tuned, like I said. I love you guys. Please remember, it's nice to be nice. And YouTube, I will see you in the next video. Prince Charming.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes?